This is how you create class property in Python when you want to you have more control over the properties, the class properties. So for example, if I create a class test and say self.health equals 0. Oops. Then someone can go test the health equals 1, and you can change a lot of things like this easily. But what if I want to stop people from changing the health of the test? So this is how you do it. You create the property like this, and for example, in my case, you can even do things like round it. So if you want to have more control even over how the health is going to be saved or used, you can come here and put things like round. So you round it, or you can, for example, you don't want your health to go under 0, so you self.health less than 0, just return 0. And then just return 0. You can do things like that as well. So the property help you to control your class property more. Also, if you create a property like this, then this is the big part, the setter. So now that's the thing. You can remove this whole thing, and now no one can change health. Only you can change health. So you change health when you take damage or something like that.